Welcome back, children. This is the F part, question number 2, 12.2 exercise. Here they have given the side 5 meter 6 centimeter. So this is meter, this is centimeter. Okay. So we have to change in meter or in centimeter. Clear? So I'll change in centimeter. So 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. 5 multiplied by 100, that is 500 centimeter. And this is already centimeter. So we'll add it. So 500 plus 6, 506 centimeter. Okay. This is 506 centimeters. So perimeter is equal to 4 multiplied by one side. Perimeter is equal to 4 multiply one side. Side is 506 centimeter. So perimeter is 506 multiplied by 4. That is 2024 centimeter. Okay. Now move to third question of the book. The perimeter of a triangle is 19 centimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means total length of a closed figure. Suppose this is a triangle. So when you add all the sides, it is 19 centimeter. Okay. If two sides are of length 8 centimeter and 7 centimeter, means first one side is 8 centimeter and the second side is 7 centimeter, and find its third side. Okay. So the triangle, or how many sides a triangle have? A triangle have 3 sides. Okay. There are 3 sides in a triangle. Okay. They have given one side 8 centimeter, second side is 7 centimeter. What will be the third side? If you add all the 3 sides, it should be 19 centimeter. So what is the formula? Perimeter of a rectangle is total of all the sides. First side plus second side plus third side. Okay. So perimeter they have given. So we'll write 19 centimeter. First side is 8 centimeter. Second side is 7 centimeter. Third side is not given. Okay. We'll leave it like this only. 19 centimeter is equal to 8 plus 7, 15 centimeter, and plus this is third side. Now what we need? We have to find out third side. So we will keep here third side. Okay. And this 15 centimeter we will shift here with the 19 centimeter. This is the equal side, equal to sign. Okay. So we will shift here. When we change the position of the number, okay, so there is no sign here with 15. 15 is adding here. So when it will change its place, so it will subtract. Okay. When we change the position of the number to the another side, the sign will be changed. Okay. Here it is adding. When it will shift that side, it will be subtracting. Okay. So 19 minus 15. 19 minus 15, that is 4 centimeter. So third side is 4 centimeter. Move to question number 4 on the book. The length and breadth of a rectangular playground are 140 meter and 130 meter. What distance do you cover if you cover around the ground twice? So what is the question? Here they have given us a rectangular playground. So what they have said? They have said the length of the playground is 140 meter and the breadth is 130 meter. And they are asking, so what distance a person will cover if he cover the ground twice. Okay. So first of all, we need to know that what is the perimeter of the ground. Okay. What is the perimeter of the ground? So the perimeter of the ground is the length. This is the breadth. And the perimeter formula 2 multiply length plus breadth, that is 2 multiply 140 meter plus 130 meter. So perimeter is equal to 2 multiply 270 meter. Perimeter is equal to 270 multiplied by 2, 540 meter. This is the perimeter of the ground. Means the ground is 540 meter. Okay. So the first round when he'll take, so he will cover the distance 540 meter, and when the second round he will take, so 540 plus 540, this is the first distance and this is the second distance. It will be 1080. Okay, so we'll multiply by 2. Thus we will cover 540 multiplied by 2 because 2 round he is taking of that ground. Okay. So 1080 meter distance if we cover around the ground twice. Okay. This is the perimeter of the ground, and if we cover the ground twice, so we'll multiply by 2. Now move to the fifth question. The fifth question is the length and breadth of a rectangular garden are 120 meter and 90 meter respectively. Find the length of the wire needed to fence all around the ground or garden 5 times. The same question, the same type question. There is a rectangular field. Okay. So what is the length of the rectangular field? That is the 120 meter and breadth is 19 meter. Okay. So he is saying, so they have to put the fence lagani hai. Okay. They have to put the fence around the ground. This is the fencing. This is the first time, and the second time, third time, fourth time, fifth, 5 time. Okay. So they have to fence the ground 5 times. So first of all, we need that what is the perimeter of the field. So length they have given, breadth they have given. So the perimeter, you know how to find out. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiply. This is length, this is breadth. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiply. Add length and breadth, that is 210 meter. When you multiply 210 by 2, that is 420 meter. This is the perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay. Or rectangular garden. Now we have to fence that garden 5 times. Okay. So thus we need. Okay. If you are fencing the ground once, we need 420 meter wire. Okay. We need 420 meter wire. Now you have to fence the ground 5 times. So we will multiply by 5. The answer will be 2100 meter wire. We need 2100 meter wire to fence all the ground, all the garden 5 times. Clear? Perimeter multiply by 5. Now, sixth question. The length of a rectangular garden is 4 times its breadth. 4 times its breadth. That is the length. If the breadth of the field is 9 meter, the breadth they have given, and the length is 4 times its breadth, means 9 multiplied by 4. Find the perimeter of the field. Which field? Rectangular field. Okay. So now what we will do? Length of a rectangular field. The length is 4 times of breadth. So 4 multiplied by breadth. Okay. 4 multiply, breadth is given 9 meter, multiply by 9, 36 meter. So the length is 36 meter and breadth is 9 meter. The simple, now apply the formula how to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Perimeter is 2 multiply, this is length, this is breadth. Add it 45. Perimeter is 2 multiply by 45. Perimeter is 45 to the 90 meter. This is your perimeter of a rectangular field. Now, seventh question. If the length of a rectangular park is thrice of breadth. Again, here in the previous question it was 4 times, it is thrice. And if the breadth is 15 meter, here 15 meter is breadth. And what will be the length now? 15 multiplied by 3. Find the perimeter of the park. So you have to find the perimeter of the park. The same way, the same method you have to follow. Length of a rectangular park 3 multiplied by breadth. 3 multiplied by 15, 45 meter. Breadth of rectangular field 15 they have given. So apply the formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Perimeter 2 multiply 45 plus 15. Okay. So perimeter is 2 multiply 45 plus 15, 16 meter. So perimeter is 120 meter. Clear? Now rest of the question will do in the next video. Thank you very much.